So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I have made tens, if not hundreds and thousands of dollars reselling software and AI software online to local business owners over the past couple of years. And of course, more importantly, how you can do the exact same thing for yourself. So if you've heard of the business models such as SMMA, social media marketing agencies, starting your very own AI software business is very, very similar in terms of the way that you actually generate leads, the fact that you can actually work with any business owner, no matter what industry or niche in the entire world, but selling AI software products and solutions to these business owners that can actually benefit them, add tons of value into their business with simple softwares that you can actually leverage with no tech skills whatsoever. It's way more scalable. You can, for one, get thousands of dollars in setup costs for this, but more importantly, you can actually start building monthly recurring subscription-based income just for setting up these simple AI software solutions inside of somebody's business, but you just have no idea how that's possible, how you can do it. So I'm going to show you in this video exactly how you can do just that. This is a business model that can absolutely change your finances in a short period of time. Hit that 10K per month mark in the next 30 to 60, 90 days. This is well achievable if you're one of those guys who actually wants to achieve that. So just as any business you ever start in entrepreneurship, you have to know what problem you actually solve. What are you actually selling? What value do you actually bring into the business world? So what AI softwares am I talking about that you can actually start a business around and start making money off of and start selling online? Well, when it comes to the world of AI overall, all of the money is in the AI softwares. That's what the average entrepreneur who's watching this video has to understand. So ChatGPT was the first AI software that came out. And after that, you've seen tons of crazy profitable AI features and tools and other AI softwares that regular people like me and you could actually leverage to go and build themselves profitable service or product-based businesses around. So this right here is a good list of things that you don't know that are extremely valuable AI software solutions that solve some of the most prominent problems in the business world, especially with their marketing and sales processes, so that they can actually become more efficient, get more customers, and overall, of course, become more profitable online. So for example, AI agents. So these are basically AI bots that can replace employees. They can answer phone calls and text messages, emails using AI. Of course, we have AI automation. So these are like infrastructures that you can actually set up to automate processes to truly help business owners save time throughout their digital marketing processes, their lead follow-up, their customer engagement, even replace customer support staffs as well. Now, something that you may or may not have heard of before is that you can actually build websites and paid advertisement pages using AI as well. So this can actually help business owners leverage more updated modern websites and pages that's going to increase conversion rates, because a lot of people know that businesses are running literally 5, 10, 15, hundreds and thousands of dollars per month on paid advertisements. So you can actually be able to start as an entrepreneur playing in this space as a freelancer or as your own company/business. You can start selling some solutions like that, leveraging AI, and the list just goes on and on. Get more Google reviews, rank higher, search engine optimization. That means rank higher in Google's local search engine when people type in their industry near them for a restaurant. So those are the type of like AI softwares that you can actually leverage that are worth a lot of money. These are problems and gaps inside of the business world that you can actually learn the skill set of no matter what age you are, and actually find a way to start getting paid for some of these solutions. And you just have to know the right buttons to click when it comes to software. So if you learn how to set these things up and set these kind of systems up for business owners, you can literally cater this to any industry or niche in the entire world. And I'm going to show you what that looks like right now and the softwares you actually need to be able to execute these. So the software that I use is called HighLevel. They have tons of profitable AI features and tools inside of their system. Inside the tabs that you just saw lay all of these features, such as these AI employees, answer phone calls, build websites right here using AI, create content using AI. You see these QR code generators. You could literally build yourself a 10K per month AI business with each and every last one of these software features. But listen, that right there is cool and all, but the real sauce is the fact that HighLevel Software is something called white label. So they have all of these AI functionalities and features inside of their software, but you can not only sell these AI software solutions as services to businesses, but you can actually start your very own product-based AI software by white labeling HighLevel. What that means is you can actually upload your very own business name, logo, colors, branding, as you can see, domain name /URL. So you can actually have your very own live and active software and just pick out which one of the features that you actually want to sell. Now, trust me, at first, I know that sounds absolutely crazy, but this is very, very true. And tons of entrepreneurs have scaled very profitable businesses in the past couple of months to years doing this, and you can be next. So just trust me, this is legit. So as soon as you white label HighLevel and you change this dashboard, the same way you log into Zoom Communications or Shopify.com, the same way you go to their website and then you can log in and then access their software with tabs on the left, top, or right, whatever the case may be. And then when you click on those tabs, it actually gives you the ability to set up whatever you want to set up in your software. Well, this is how you can actually own your very own software or AI software product without having to spend any time or money actually creating any software yourself. That is what HighLevel allows. And I know that sounds absolutely crazy. Again, there is no copyright issues with this whatsoever. This is just something you don't know. People have been white labeling products for tens and thousands of years. People even white label services. And I'm talking about like corporate establishments, law firms white label, pharmaceutical software companies white label, other software companies. Like, it's very common, but the average consumer does not know that they can do this. And HighLevel realized that, so they built an entire company that's worth over $1 billion now, because they have bridged the gap between average people with no tech skills whatsoever to play in the $1 trillion industry of software and AI software with extremely low financial / time risk. This right here is HighLevel's website. You can get the link to this with the link in my description. It'll give you a 14-day free trial of their platform. All you have to do is pay HighLevel as little as $97 or $297 or even $497 per month, and you'll be able to white label, completely change the dashboard, how everything looks. Nobody will know it's not your software. All softwares kind of look the same anyway, but this is how you have your very own software product, and you are keeping 100% of the profits. This is a very, 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 very logical move to actually make to get into something like this. All you have to do is go and get yourself a website like this around what your software actually does, explain what the solution is, and then people will actually be able to go to your website, press that login button. You can either do a 14-day free trial or not, whatever the case may be. And then you can actually start charging monthly subscriptions per user you get on your software. So once you actually get users to go to your website, log into your software, you drive traffic to a fucking website link. This is how you actually start playing a video game and getting these monthly subscriptions. This right here is a cheat code to wealth. Once you get, like, let's just say 50 people paying you $100 per month, that is literally $5,000 in monthly recurring income that you're making. You literally don't have to work a job anymore, because you know that's coming back into your bank account. And obviously that number is going to grow. But one day when you actually have 10, 20, 50, 30, you can actually choose not to work for 1, 2, 3, 4 months, which is a great feeling. And you know that you're still going to be making money, and you can actually pat yourself on the back. And you can actually start enjoying your life a bit more, right? So lead generation is the last piece of the pie. This is how you actually get people paying for your software and drive traffic to your website. You can do AI lead generation that I go through in my free course, where I show you how to use AI to get tens and thousands of business owners and send off customized messages using AI to all of these business owners. Work like a charm, if you want to be honest, in 2025, right now, today, and it will be for years. Paid advertisements, automatic text message, email campaigns, Facebook groups, cold calling, all of these cool things that you can actually leverage right now today to benefit you for the rest of your life. So if you want to learn more about how to do this for yourself, again, just go to my free course. It has 3, 4, 5 hours of walkthroughs and step-by-step tutorials showing you specifically how to white label and resell HighLevel's AI software and software products. But that's all I have for you in this video. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.